Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Oh, and there's Mortimer, right on cue. Last night was a simple night where I prepared a pork tenderloin stir fry with udon noodles. It was good, a simple sauce. I kept the veggies and the pork, big chunks. It was substantial. It was yummy. The recipe is probably already posted. Yeah, I'm running a little late today, just a little bit. I got to do something about the hair. Yeah. All right. The culinary expedition continues, as it will probably for the next, no, not probably, it will for the next 6 months. Today, we are going to Iraq. Now, I've had to do a lot of research on this, and it's not research on the dish itself, the urban spices and all that. It's how to put it together. There are two versions of this dish. I'll be preparing what Iraq or the Iraqis call either potato chap or potato Kubbi. And there's a Kubba. Not Cuba as in the island. Yeah. I'm still kind of not under the weather, but I'm not all there. There are two forms that you can actually make this in. One kind of is like a meatball-ish thing. And another way is kind of, I'd like to call it either a cottage pie or a shepherd's pie style. This is similar to a recipe I did a couple months ago. It's layers in a baking dish. I'm going the easy route. Pardon me. Excuse me, but yeah. Next week's going to be better, I promise. So let's get to it. Okay, I've got some beef mince, but you could also use lamb. Kosher salt, black pepper, lots of onion. I'll probably add another half of a medium onion to this. Garlic, ginger, cilantro, some Thai peppers, a little bit of lime juice, plain breadcrumbs, an egg for an egg wash, potatoes. This is where everything comes in, with the whole cottage pie / shepherd's pie. I don't have the milk and all that stuff here, but basically I'll be doing a very simple mashed potato. And there's also some mint, turmeric, and cumin. A simple dish for today. Apparently this is, if it's done in the ball form, basically you take the meat filling and then you surround it. I'm trying to use both my hands. You surround it by the mashed potatoes, and you can either fry them. They're generally fried with an egg wash, and then they put breadcrumbs on the balls, and then they put them into an oven to seal the deal. Technically, this is the ball form is an appetizer, but hey, here in America, we do whatever we want. Recipes are just guidelines. All right, so on this Thursday, bear with me, folks. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.